Hey, it's Living with Shana. Welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time here, welcome. I am glad you're here. I would love for you to join the family, so make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. So today's video is something a little bit different. As you saw in the title, if you have not yet watched the Squid Game on Netflix, you need to go and check it out. It's a Netflix series. I think they've done only season 1 now, which has I think about 79 episodes. I'm not really sure. I'm actually looking forward to season 2 because it's a fun series. I think it's a Korean show which has like kids games, and adults are playing those kids games, and as you lose, you are eliminated. Now I'm not going to tell you how people get eliminated, but you have to go watch it. So there's this game that involves a cookie that has been going viral, obviously because of the show. Today I'm going to attempt to recreate the Dalgona candy. It's a candy that is made of sugar and baking soda. It's a pretty large candy, and that's why people kind of call it like a cookie, but it's actually candy. So there are only 2 ingredients used to make this. Sugar, of course. So you're gonna need some sugar and baking soda. So let's get started. Hopefully I get to make this happen. You're also gonna need something that is not too sticky. I'm using this little pan, so hopefully this doesn't fail on me. I also have my measuring cup here, and apparently people are using chopsticks. I have these are not actually chopsticks, these are kebab sticks. We're just trying. We're trying. This is not something I grew up making, so I am trying, so bear with me. And also I have here parchment paper. Obviously, let's get started because I'm really excited. So one trick I learned as I was doing my research, because obviously it's my first time making this, so I wanted to make sure I don't fail. One trick I heard was to blend this and to blend your sugar. So I'm gonna try to blend this. Hopefully it's finer and it really helps. We're just trying. This might actually be something. It might actually be a good trick. I have these cookie cutters. I'm gonna choose my shapes now. So first I'm gonna turn on my fire. Non-stick pan here, tiny pan. Apparently you have to be making this in small amounts. You can't just have a bunch, like a big pot, and just make it. It's not gonna work. So take your time. I'm going to start by adding my blended sugar. I think the person that did this was to speed up the process. So I'm just gonna add that into my pot. This takes patience. You don't want those bubbles. I believe it has to be very smooth. This is tiring, I won't lie. This is a lot of work, especially because you don't want to burn that sugar. My goodness, it's looking good. I'm gonna put some of the baking soda, just a pinch of baking soda, and it's supposed to change the color, and you're supposed to turn it fast. I won't lie, it smells good. Okay, I'm gonna go pour it. This is my first cookie. I'm scared. Oh, I think this is time for me to put this in. I sprayed this a little bit. Oh, I think it's too early. I sprayed this with oil. Please come out. Please, please don't fail me. Please don't fail me. Ah! Fell. It was too early. Failed. I failed. I think I needed to wait a little bit longer. I'm gonna start over. And let's see the second attempt. I failed at the first attempt, so we're gonna start action 2. The reason why mine melts so fast is because I blended the sugar. So if you want yours to melt fast, you can go ahead and blend that sugar. It's gonna be very helpful for you. Baking soda. I don't want to fail one more time, so it's still hot. Just want to make sure it's gonna fit. Yep, it's gonna fit. I'm gonna let it cool down. I feel like it's still hot, but I'm gonna go ahead and just do it. Oh, I fell again.
Wait a minute.
No, I didn't fail. Okay, so it opened, but it's okay. It's okay. We're gonna do 3 more cookies and hopefully I make it by then. This time I'm going to try to wait 30 seconds to see how that works. Okay, it says 30 seconds, but the way I see this, I still see that it's not ready, so I'm not gonna touch it because I don't want to mess it up. It's still warm, so 30 seconds is probably not the best. I'm going to do 30 more seconds, and this time I'm going to dip my shape into baking powder, or baking soda I should say, and see what happens. I'm just trying here to see what happens. Okay, another 30 seconds and it's still hot. I don't think I want it to fail again, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my yes. I think I got it this time. Yes, perfect. Ta-da! Now obviously these are not the right shape, but we'll do with it. So I'm gonna let it cool down. I'm gonna make 2 more and we'll try it. So as I was trying to remove this from the paper, it broke, but the star is not broken, so that's good. So this is what my cookies or candies look like. This was the first or the second attempt, and then my second was the star, my third was the heart, and my fourth was this. This has more of the bubbles because I think I put more baking soda. So in the Squid Game, they are given a needle and they're supposed to choose a shape of the wall, and then they're given that shape. So because I have started with this star, which looks almost off, I won't lie, this thing actually tastes good. So you're supposed to use your needle and cut out a shape without breaking it. So I'm actually gonna lick mine because it's sugar, obviously, right? I feel like it will melt. I need to time myself. I'm going to time myself. I'm going to give myself 10 minutes and we are going to hit start. And I'm going to try to see if I can get that circle. Timer on. I'm really gonna take 10 minutes, see how this goes. This is the closest I could do. I almost broke it. I almost broke it. Yeah, this was my favorite. It's pretty hard. This was the best that I've made. It's pretty hard to come to break through that line. I have 3 minutes left and I'm not even halfway done. watch this game and you know what happens when you lose a game, when you miss a game, you know why I feel this way. I was able to get a circle. Oh my god, 1 minute and 30 seconds. I was so scared I was gonna break it. Okay, so I was able to make the circle. So this star that broke by itself, let's see if I can just break it. I got a star. The star and okay. I don't want to attempt to do this gingerbread because I probably will break it. Ooh, I'm gonna break it. I see a line on this leg. I'm probably gonna break it. So that's it for. Oh, I broke it. I broke it. That's it for me today, guys. If you have not watched the Squid Game, you need to go out, check it out. It's such a fun series on Netflix. Make sure to check it out. I am going to go ahead and just eat these. Well, maybe just one. To tell the truth, this thing is actually pretty good. So if you have kids around, you can make this and you have the kids eat it. But if you don't have kids around, don't try to eat all this. It's so sugary, but it actually tastes good. You can actually eat this thing and not even feel guilty, but welcome to diabetes. So yeah, but I am so happy I was able to get that circle. I don't know why I'm so scared. I'm not even in the game, but I was so scared I was gonna break it. That's all I have for you today, guys. Until then, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.